Hey friends, today we're going to be resetting this Xfinity router. This is a residential gateway and router, and it's actually a very simple process. We're going to reset it to factory settings, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so here's our Xfinity router. Here's what we're going to do. We're basically going to make sure this is plugged in so we get some power. So let me get the power cord out of here and let's plug this thing in. Okay, so we are currently plugged in and powered up. You can see we got a light on the top there, as well as the power button, and our Wi-Fi is enabled as well. Now, this is not plugged into any kind of internet connection. This is simply just in the power on mode, and that's all you really need to reset it. So what we're going to do is we're going to come to the back here, and on the back, you're going to see at the very top, we're going to be looking at this reset button. It's a little button that's inside of this circle here. And again, it's like this to protect you from accidentally resetting it. We're going to need to get a pin, or actually what I'm going to be using is a cell phone SIM card key. Okay, and that SIM card key looks like this. You may have received one if you have an iPhone or another smart mobile phone that comes with a SIM card. And basically, I'm just going to take this and I'm going to push it in here. I'm going to hold down for approximately, you'll feel the button depressed. I'm going to hold down for approximately 10 seconds. Now again, on the front of the machine here, it's going to actually, the lights will blink on and off after a few seconds. Continue holding for about 3 seconds more, and then you're going to release. And again, you should have seen those blinking lights. You can see the power is now coming back on, and the Wi-Fi is off, meaning this thing was reset by pushing that button. If you just push the button in once, it basically will recycle the system without resetting it to factory defaults. Again, you want to push that button down and hold for approximately 10 seconds if you want this thing to fully reset. Give it a little bit of time, and again, your lights will come back on, and that will put you basically all ready to reset the password and reset the router name if you're getting this for the first time. Hopefully that helps, friends. If it has, hit that thumbs up button for me. It helps me make more great videos for you. Take care, and we'll see you again real soon.